So I hope everyone got the assignment part. So I have given 3 groups. So group 1 what you should write, group 2 what you should write. But I told for internals you are supposed to prepare everything. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's move on. So I think in the last class we ended with one problem. So any doubts anyone till the previous class? If you have doubt you can ask. So we'll move on to next part of your block diagram. Where till the last problem you can ask, otherwise let's move on to next one. Any doubts anyone? So anybody have doubts till the last class?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. This was the last problem we covered, correct now? So here I hope everyone got to know the logic now, how to summing point has been splitted. So how to share the summing point. So if you know how to merge the summing point, how to split the merging summing point, then you can solve the block diagram concept easily. Okay. So now we'll go on to next type of problem. So look at the question. So you can see it's given clearly it is for 10 marks. So you just need to have a logic, that's it. Look at this question carefully and tell me what are the possible ways to reduce this block diagram to a single block and to find the transfer function. Yeah. So is it visible? Question is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I think one term is missing in this diagram question only. There is G2 here. So let me copy this question. So there is a printing mistake in the textbook. They have missed G2. I'll just try to write where it is. So this is a question, okay? So here you have G2. So in this block, there is a G2. So this is a complete question now. So there is a G2 here. Okay, na? Yeah. So now tell me how to solve this problem. Because all problem look like different only. In the exam, if you see like this, suddenly you should have what are the possible ways I can reduce this. Then only you can proceed. Yeah. What you can do, just think. See if this summing point, what the cursor is moving, you can look at here. If this summing point was not there, then I could have made this G3 and G1 what condition? Is it series or parallel?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel. If this is not there, I am using the word if it is not there. Similarly, if it is not there, then I can make this H1 G2 this combination as what, guys?
Elimination.
Elimination. Good. So now what is the thing which is having a barrier here? The barrier.
Summing point.
Yeah. Now tell me what can be done. So you can't do any splitting of summing point because you already have one summing point here and you have one more here. So what is the possibilities? I think I taught you merging of summing point also.
Yes.
So this two summing point can be merged so that we can get through with the problem to be solved. So this is one summing point. This is one summing point. So only small change you can find. What is that small change I wanted to tell? See, I hope everyone remember the reduction technique. So there was a concept called merging of your summing point. So if two summing point are there, so correspondingly I can add one more to make it as third signal. So here plus is there according to question I'm writing. So here one more plus is there. So if I add one more signal here, So what should be your symbol here? Is it minus or plus according to question? Can look at the question and tell me what is the things here? It's minus or plus or?
Minus.
Minus. So minus should be given. So I think I taught you A one signal, B one signal, similarly C one more signal. If we split this, it look like this only. Correct and wrong? So you want me to show the reduction technique once more, or is it understood? Okay, let me show that. I hope you people have already forgotten. So reduction technique. So we wrote 9 steps. So in this logic was there where I can move this. Can you make out this question, everyone? Is it visible? Can you make this splitting of summing point? So look at here. This two nothing but same only, right? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the logic I'm telling. So now the question is given like this. So they are given two separate summing point. So instead of here, it is upward, that's all. So A, B, C, 3 inputs are there. So now what I'm telling is, according to this, we will go ahead. So since minus is connected in that problem also, it is like A, B minus C. So this is the logic what I'm telling. If you make this two separate summing point to one summing point, then we can go ahead with the problem. So is it fine? Is it fine to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me how the diagram look like. So G2 is here, H1 is here. So if I merge the summing point, how the diagram look like? So this I am not changing anything. This input part is as it is. Then you have G1. So G1 retains its position. So there is nothing will happening for this G1. So now I am adding this summing point here. So only thing extra is I need to take this summing point to be connected here. Okay. So before that, you make sure G3, G1 is having to one connection. So while writing, you should be very careful. If you make slight mistake, then it is going to lead to a problem. Okay. So this is having plus. So according to this logic, what I'm telling, see here, this is plus, right? So that plus I'm keeping here. Okay. So similarly, you have plus from this side. So this plus is for this G1. Okay. So now what is left out, guys? What is left out? One more signal. So now if you take,
G.
yeah, this is like A, this is like B, and you have C somewhere here. That C somewhere is this summing point. Correct? Huh? So how will write this diagram now? If minus was not there, directly I could have connected H1 by seeing it is having a negative, unity feedback. But since it is having what? Minus concept, what should be done here? To make it as plus. See, if you want to apply, I told you clearly, 99% we are using negative feedback as an elimination part, right? If you want to make this as plus, what is the extra fitting I should do, guys? You got what I asked?
Minus
At least you got to know why.
mark.
Yeah. At least you got to know why I'm making this minus to plus. For what purpose? Can anyone tell me?
No, sir.
Okay, let me repeat. Look at here. So this is a question, right? So this H1 is there. So H1 is there. So G2 is there. So what? How many forward paths? How many feedback paths from this question? We didn't ask only. Yeah, that is past the first point, right? You tell me that, then I will continue with this. Yes, guys.
3.
Forward paths. Okay, so we'll trace here 1. So this is a 1. Okay. Then according to you, this is a second.
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
Yes,
Something
sir.
like this going. Okay. What is the third one? This
G4.
category.
Through G4.
So you have 3 forward paths. Good. Next feedback path, guys. How many
2.
feedback paths here? So look at here. I told
2
feedback
feedback.
means output to input. So is your one feedback? Agree?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, this H2 is your second feedback path. Okay, na? So this is having 3 forward paths and 2 feedback paths. So now what is the thing I'm explaining you is, if you doing this merging of 2 summation point, I have to keep minus here. So if I keep minus here, then it is acting like what type of feedback path? So if this is minus, what type of feedback path it is?
Negative feedback.
Negative feedback.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now according to question, we can do with that negative feedback, or I can make it to positive also. Both possibilities are there. If you solve the problem by taking minus also, not an issue. If you solve the problem by taking this plus also, not an issue. Both are possibilities are there. Yes or no? So what is the one more possibility we told? So before that, this first possibility is understood to everyone. So this is how it looks, right? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the one more thing I'm telling is, if I make this as plus, then what is the change I should make in the diagram? So I need to add something here. That something is
minus
what?
1.
Good.
Minus
So
1.
if you make minus 1, then this all 3 becomes plus plus plus. So like that also you can solve the problem, or you can stick on with the normal procedure what we learned, that is your reduction technique rule number 9. By keeping minus means it will be your negative feedback. So formula will be G divided by 1 plus H1. Surrender. So let's move on now. So let's me assume that this is having minus only. So let me erase this part. So I hope splitting of summing point, any doubts to anyone? I mean merging of summing point.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. So now this is minus. So these two are plus. So now what are the possibilities are there to reduce this technique, guys? So now what will happen to my G3 and G1? This combination becomes what?
Parallel.
Parallel.
So it
No
means this two,
combination.
I'm going to make it as one block. What is the formula?
G1 plus
Plus
G3.
G3.
G1 plus G3.
G3.
Good. So this become one block now. Amala. So similarly, I can
Elimination.
reduce this also.
Yes, sir.
Elimination is possible. So that time this to become cascade. Huh?
Sir.
So now we are going to take elimination of this. So what is the answer, guys? So it is starting with G2 Lapa. So G2 whole divided by
1 plus
1 plus,
G2 into H1.
yeah, 1 plus G2 into H1 if conditions are there. So if you take minus here, this is the formula. Similarly, I have one more possibilities. I can make this also plus, and I can take multiply by minus 1. That possibility is also there. That time what is the change you can make out?
G2 by 1 minus G2H2.
Then also it will become minus of minus plus only. Observe carefully and tell me, is it same? If I take minus here, the formula become G2, that is G divided by 1 minus
Minus
G2
G2
into,
into minus H1.
is it same answer or not?
Same, sir, same.
Yes, sir.
See?
Same.
Same.
For
Sir.
to make you to understand this only, I told you whether you want to make it as plus or minus, answer doesn't change, because of minus, it remains to same block. So if you solve by taking plus also, you'll get same, minus also you'll get same. So is it okay to everyone? Is it okay, guys?
Yes,
Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, what is the thing going to happen? So we have reduced this complete upper part. So upper part completely gone. So that has been replaced with this 2 block. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So now remaining part, what is going to happen? You should tell me. So there is a summing point here, and there is a feedback path, that is your H2. So now what is going to happen for this 2 block? Is it series?
Cascade.
Good. So cascade nothing but series. So you can perform that to one block, means multiplication of this 2. So G1 plus G3 is going to multiply with G2, means I can write it as G2 G1 plus G3 G2 whole divided by this much. Okay, now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Then that is
Elimination.
elimination. So eliminate this and tell me what is the answer. So after that, last step will be what? Parallel combination. Good. So I hope you understood the logic till here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, finish up the
Yes,
problem.
sir.
So if anybody have doubt, let me know. So I want you to tell the answer. So first step, only this major part is this. If you able to analyze with the summing point, see we have done all type of problem in that two categories. Merging of summing point also covered, splitting of summing point also covered. Similarly, feedback path elimination also done. If you have any doubts still here, you can ask me guys. Otherwise, so let's move on with the next. Any doubts, anyone? 42 are there. So out of 42, anybody have doubts means you should ask. So no doubts. USN 104, Ranjan, audible? 104, Ranjan R. What are CRs here? CR from this as port C. Sanidhi, who is CR here? You only here?
Yes, sir.
You ask that person to call me after the class. 104.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So is it okay? Have you solved the problem? So what is the answer you got? So let's verify that answer now. What is the answer you got here? Final answer. So let me go to that problem. Yeah, so this was the problem, right? So here, the first step you can look at here. See both possibilities, what I told you that has been shown here. Whether you take minus or plus, this answer remains same. So that is one step and this is parallel is second step. You can look at here. So after taking parallel, it has become G1 plus G3. And after making this elimination, it has become G2 divided by. So minus of minus remains same plus only. Then again, this 2 are become cascade. You can make it to 1. Then that elimination part is this. So is it what the answer you got? After eliminating that cascade and performing elimination with H2. Everyone? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so then you do parallel with this G4 and check out, is it what your transfer function? So what cursor is moving here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it okay to everyone? Shall we move on to next? Yeah, everyone, is it okay? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go with the next problem. So I won't tell anything for this now. I want you to solve. Yeah, solve this. So you have to obtain transfer function. So you should explain me. what are the possible ways to solve this problem. So we have solved almost, I think we have solved more than 10 problems till now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have covered everything. So we'll try to analyze this from your side. Solving. Can anyone explain the procedure so that everyone can solve? Procedure.
G2 and G3 parallel, sir.
Good. So G2, G3 are parallel. That is your first step. Okay. Amala. Then.
G4
So once you make
H1
G2,
elimination.
G3, once you make G2, G3 as parallel, that will come in series with this G1. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
That is step 2. Good. Then what is step 3? So here there is a barrier. So how to eliminate this barrier? I already taught you. What should be done?
Splitting feedbacks.
Good. So you have to split this feedback path. Correct, Appa? So H1 is there for this summing point also, and H1 is there for this summing point also. So you can split this. Then you can make your this what I'm moving the cursor. That is going to be one feedback path. Correct?
Yes.
So G4 H1 this summing point you can eliminate, and that answer is going to be cascade with this block. Then again that combination is going to be elimination. Then last is parallel. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Finish up this problem. So I want everyone to solve this problem. Analyze and do. Blindly don't copy the things. Anybody have difficulty, you should ask here. So I hope all are solving. Is it done? So write step by step properly, guys. So each step carries marks. So don't do any reduction of steps. So they won't get full marks. If anybody have finished, let me know. Let me give option for you. You can show the things what you have done by turning on the video. If anybody have finished, you can turn on the video and you can focus. Let's see what you've done. Still doing? Anyone's done here? Satya, is it over?
Doing, sir.
Can you focus?
Sir, after finishing, I can.
You're not yet finished, huh?
No, sir. Still doing.
Okay,
Steps.
finish up. Anybody else finished? Anybody using laptop here? So if they're using laptop, they can focus the thing clearly. Anyone using laptop in this class here? All other using mobile phone only. So Smita, is it over? Sannidhi?
Sir, doing.
No one has finished still here. What, Yashas? Sudhanva?
So still doing, sir.
So I think first step everyone did, right? What is the parallel combination you've taken? Answer? What is the parallel combination answer you've taken?
G2 minus G3.
Good. So it should be G2 minus G3. Correct? Huh? So because in the question it is having minus. So you can look at the question here. Minus is there. So you should be very careful with this. So don't do G2 plus G3. So you're going to get a reduction of marks for this minus plus combination. So be careful. So first step, G2 minus G3. Good. So that combination is in series. That is second step. G1 into G2 minus G3 you can write. Then what we told? So splitting of this feedback path. So H1 is there. It is a combination given to this summing point also and this summing point also. So split that. So then I told this G4 H1 is one summing point. You can reduce it with help of rule number 9. So what is the formula you'll get? So it's G4 divided by, so minus is there means you should do plus. So 1 plus G4H1. So that combination again is in series with this. Is it finished by anyone now? So if anyone have finished, you can go back, share your screen. Over here, none of them are solved. Yes. Is it over? Satya?
Sir, last steps. Over anyone? Diploma guys, is it done here? You done or not? Sakshi, Pavitra, Vishnu, Shashank. Telecom people, Tejaswini, Mamta, Malangoda, Pawan, is it done? Why are you taking so much of time? I don't getting. I'm audible here. What's done? Over. Rashmi 105.
Sir, once can you show the question, sir? 1 minute.
Yeah. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will come back to the screen. Yeah, Satya, you can focus. You're using mobile phone, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try to focus it. Yeah. Turn on the video. Said, I want everyone to solve, then only we understand the things. Simply seeing means doesn't make any sense. Little bit focus upward, Satya. We'll go from the top. So we just analyzed. Yeah, good. So G2 minus G3, that to become cascade. Okay, next step. So you have splitted your H1. So one set. See, when you split the H1, you should show H1. Before that only you're done reduction technique. So you should show splitting of H1 both ways. Then you should do reduction of this G. Okay. Is it clear? You can unmute, Satya.
Yes, sir.
So you are shown G1 splitting. Show it twice. Then you can go with reduction technique. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then these two become cascade. Good. So others, you are checking out the answer. What your friend is showing, what you got, is it same? Then you can make a elimination. Next step. Little bit down. Next step. You have muted yourself. You can unmute and you can explain what I issue.
Sir, I wrote equation directly, sir.
Okay, fine.
G5.
Okay.
Adding the G5 to equation.
See, this is the mistake you will do, everyone. So once you do this elimination of feedback, that is H1, you will get one single block. That equation you can write like this, what your friend has written. After that, that answer should be given in parallel to G5. That is the one more diagram you are supposed to show. Is it done?
Yes, sir. I need to. I wrote directly, sir, equation.
No, that's what I'm telling. Don't write directly to others also. Okay. So because each step carries marks, as I told. So after getting that H1 elimination, you will get one answer. That should be parallel with G5. That diagram you're supposed to show. Okay, last answer here.
Sir,
So what is your last answer? So it will be like G5 plus alpha.
Yes, sir. G5
You
plus.
take an LCM. Okay, a little bit down.
Yes,
Let them see the answer. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Anybody else done?
Okay,
Anybody else?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Sakshi. So others, have you got the same answer? What your friend showed just now? Focus on the paper properly, Sakshi. It's blur. Your screen is not visible. What you written, what you're explaining, it's not at all visible. It's okay. If network issue is there, not a problem. It's not clear, Sakshi. It's okay, leave it. It's blurred. It's not viewing properly. It's okay, leave it. Yeah, others, is it okay? So let me go back to that problem. So let me share you. Is it visible? So this was the question. So what was step 1 we told? This to parallel. So they made parallel. So this is a mistake you will commit. So be careful. Minus is given. So G2 minus G3. That is the first thing you should be aware. Then this two are in series. Then what has happened? You can see dotted line represents the path. That is your feedback path. So that has been splitted. So if we split it, this is how it looks. So this is the step what I told. You should show it. So don't skip the steps. So to writing diagram only you'll get marks. If you write that answer, you won't get full marks. Okay. So then elimination of minor loop. So then that will be is in cascade with this. Then this is elimination path here. So here this is next step. After getting this to cascade, that is going to be eliminated with H1. So this is what the answer you're going to get. So I told sideways they can do simplification. Then for this answer, you need to make G5 cascade. So this is what the final answer. Is it matching to others? Everyone. So
Yes,
here
sir.
they can G5 separately. If you written completely with LCM plus G5 at numerator also, okay, not an issue. So is it fine? You got the logic? Shall I give next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go with this. So I already taught you such type of problem. Here they're given something called as Mansion gain formula. That you don't worry. That is nothing but your transfer function only. So this Mansion's gain formula will come in signal flow graph. So that time I will teach you. You just stick on with the procedure. Just one set. I think they are given a signal flow graph here. So not this one. Okay, let me give the question for you. Just hold on. Yeah, Ritvik, is it audible for you? Ritvik? If you attend the class at the end, you're not going to be considered with attendance month. So don't do this kind of stupid things here. Okay. So you already end of a class, you're coming and joining now. Is this paint visible to others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give one question for you. Just make a note. So I already taught you how to do this type of problem. So I want you to analyze. So there is block. So question is reduce the block diagram to a single block and find its transfer function. So G1, G5. So I told you whatever diagram you see in the block diagram. So you should be very careful with the arrow marks and try to trace your forward paths and feedback paths clearly. So just make a note of the question, everyone. So there is a summing point given here. So here the extra thing they have done is they are given your plus minus inside the summing point. So plus is here, minus is here, minus is here. So this is the input R of S. So this is connected to G8. Is it visible, guys, what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so output is mentioned here and they are connected here. Arrow mark. So I'm writing the arrow mark. So be careful with that arrow mark. So again here they are connected G2. This is a connection. This is a connection. So output is here. So C of S output is mentioned here. So then they are connected one more G4. So once I write the question, I want answers from your side, because I already taught you such kind of problem. What is the logic you're supposed to follow? Let me see how many will tell. So plus and plus. So this is connected to one more block, G7, and given to the summing point. So this is your G7. One more summing point. Say it's a 10 marks question. So whenever you see little bit complexity in the question, so obviously marks will be more. So this is the end of this part, G3. So here again, plus minus. So analyze the thing what I written clearly and try to solve the problem. So this is your given question. So I think everything I have traced, arrow mark. Okay. Yeah. So now look at the question carefully and tell me what all the forward paths you have here. So this is a given question. How many forward paths you have, guys?
Only one, sir.
Only one forward path. So is it
Yes, sir.
this? So is it this one? What you're talking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many feedback paths then?
4.
So output to input. So output to input. What I'm tracing, just look at this. Is it what you're telling? Output to input is 1. Then you have output to input. Is this combination?
Yes, sir.
Is it 2?
4, sir.
Where is third one, guys? No, I'm marking the numbers.
Through-
So first one and second one. Then one more.
Through G2.
Through G2. So via this summing point. Okay, good. Then again one more.
G8.
Good. G8. So you hope everyone understood the logic now. What is the meaning of feedback path and forward path? Is it okay? Okay. So now what is the first thing you're supposed to make? What are the possibilities you have? See, I told you wherever the output is given, if it is not given at the end, you can redraw this diagram. Anta. Do you remember I taught you one problem?
Yes, sir.
So here C of S is given here. So till now what we solved the problem, it was like input at this junction, output at this junction. Correct? So if you want to get C of S here, so what can be done? You can rewrite the diagram, yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
So if you rewrite the diagram, how it looks. So I want this C of S here means, so this connection, this part, what I'm tracing, this part will come little bit downwards. Any of this are shorted, right? If these two are shorted, so I can cut this, I can paste here. So let me show that. So just look at this, what I'm trying, you have understood or not. So this part is what I'm telling, right? So this part, let me move a little bit downward. Okay. So then you can write your C of S like this. So is it possible?
Yes, sir.
So this is what I told. So is it how it looks? C of S. So this connection remains same. This is G8. If you want, you can write it a little bit at the center and you can connect here. So G8, G5 followed by this output, and this connection is given here. Is it okay? Remaining doesn't change. This connection is here. Is it okay to everyone? So now it look like input output. Okay, Napa?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first thing you can make after knowing the forward path and feedback path. Then how will you solve the problem? I want you to tell the procedure to solve the problem, then you can solve by your own. Yes. What could be the first step?
G6, G7.
Good. So G6, G7 are in which condition?
Cascade.
Good. Cascade. So this two become G6 into G7. Okay, na? Amele. So this two become one block. Good. So this completely I can reduce it to one block. After that,
Parallel.
good.
G4
So G4.
and G6.
Yes. So G4 is
G6,
parallel
G7.
with this combination. Sarinappa.
Yes, sir.
So it means what? It means what? This complete elimination is gone. I hope you have written question. If I keep
Yes.
cutting it, is it
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if I delete this part, what is left out? What is left out? Let me trace it. Yeah. So you should tell me what is left out, guys. So this complete block, what was looking?
G4 plus G6.
So we have only one block. Yeah. G4 plus
G6, G7.
G6, G7. I hope you understood, right? What the thing we have done here to eliminate that.
Yes, sir.
So then this is going to be cascade with this G3. Agree, Napa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this two become cascade means again, this is G3 is going to multiply with this. So again, I can eliminate this complete to a single block. Is it okay to others? Everyone? Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after this, you should tell me what I should do. So this much I told you. So this also eliminated to a single block. So if I eliminate this also, so how the answer look now? So this is gone. This is gone. So I'll be having only one block. So what will happen to the summing point now? So one summing point is gone means only one side is left out, right? Can we split this? Everyone, can we merge or split? Can we add this and this? Yeah, I'm asking you people only. What can be done? Say this G2 is connected to one summing point. So now this elimination has happened, means this part has gone. Correct? So now what can be done? How it looks? So just check out, is it how it look? So here G2, connect my G2 to this summing point. And this connection is given to a single block answer what you got. Is it how it looks? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes,
Till
sir.
here what? So it's G3 into G4 plus G6, G7. G6, G7. Okay, na? So this is one block and the summing point has gone, and it means this G2 will convert directly to the summing point. Now what should be done? What should be done? Tell me clearly what is thing visible for you now? How it is?
G1 and G2
Are in
Elimination.
elimination. Very good. See, that is a thing. See, by seeing G1, G2, what will come to my mind? So summing point is there. I should do.
Parallel.
Yeah, that is a mistake you will commit. So be careful. See, there is a minus symbol here. I hope you can see minus is here, right? So minus is there,
Yes,
means
sir.
this complete path acts like a feedback path. So I can take it as a feedback path. So eliminate that feedback path. What is the answer? So it's G1 divided by 1
G1
plus G1, G2.
G1, G.
Okay, Napa?
Yes, sir.
Then that is in cascade with this
Cascade with
G5.
G5.
Good. So after that, these two become one block, and there is one more block here. So what you will do for this two, G8 and this one block? Again, is it parallel or elimination? Good. Elimination.
Elimination.
Yeah. So G8 and this block elimination. Then finally, you will get this as one block, and that and this are in the form of
Eliminations.
hey, again elimination, correct na? See the arrow mark. I told you arrow mark plays a major role in from output to input means it's a feedback path. So this G3 block along with this complete block is going to be again elimination. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you finish off this and make a note of the answer so you can discuss to me in next class, right? So I hope everyone written the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you just follow the steps what we went through. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then we'll stop here. So try to solve the assignment at least one slowly. If you get any doubts, you can discuss with me. Is it okay? We'll wind the session then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. So take care. See you tomorrow.